Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. Feels like forever since I've done a talking video, and that's because it has been forever, at least a few months. So don't worry, I will get back into the schedule of doing semi-regular talking videos soon, going over mods and all the other fun stuff you guys seem to enjoy. Today's video specifically will go over something very important you need to be aware of if you plan on upgrading your factory Tacoma battery to a Group 27F AGM. So let's get started. All right guys, as you can see, I recently upgraded my battery. Now I was running a 27F before, just one of the Autocraft Silver. I think I got it at AutoZone. Went ahead and that one was starting to die, so I went ahead and upgraded to the X2. I'll put a link for this in the description below. I got it from Batteries Plus. If you buy on their website, I think you get like a 10 or 15% discount once you pick it up in the store, so that's definitely a sweet deal because these are not cheap. I went with this one specifically because a bunch of my friends run it with fridges, solar panels, have zero issues, so I want to go this route instead of like a dual battery setup. Figured it'd be a little easy, a little cleaner, I guess. I do have a few of these battery attachments to install from SDHQ. That'll probably be the next video, so stay tuned for that. It's helped me clean up my wiring just a little bit. One thing I had to do with this battery, it's a little bit bigger than the last 27F I had. I had to drill out the back of my SDHQ battery tie-down plate, which is just aluminum, because I had to get a different J-hook for the back, again, since it's just a little bit bigger. Sticks up a little bit, not that much of an issue, but what I want to go over with today involves keeping your new Group 27 beefy battery alive as long as possible. Okay guys, the issue with the Tacoma when you upgrade to a bigger 27F battery specifically is the factory alternator is only designed to charge the battery while the truck's on with a range of, on my cheat sheet right here, 14 to 14.4 volts. And as you can see by the picture right here, specifically the X2 battery I got, Group 27F AGM, requires 14.4 to 14.8 volts continuously charging while the truck is on. So there is a little piece I will be installing today called an alternator booster, which tricks the alternator into upping the voltage just a little bit to charge the battery, so it'll keep it living as long as possible. There is a thread on Tacoma World I will link to down in the description below, so you guys can check that out, going into tons of detail on this if you want more information. It is written by Crash and Burn 80, who, if you haven't seen any of his threads on Tacoma World, fantastic in-depth scientific research, mostly on lighting, but obviously on electrical stuff too, where he goes over like a few different options. The one I got on eBay for about 30 bucks. I'll link the specific one I got down below, and I'll put the keywords down below as well in case you're watching this in the future, because I know eBay links sort of die over time. And if you are watching this in the future, don't let me know what happens. I like to be surprised. So I definitely encourage you to check out Crash and Burn 80's thread on Tacoma World and see which option is best for you. So let me go ahead and show you the part. Really simple install. It'll literally take 30 seconds. And here is the part in question. Again, just about 30 bucks on eBay shipped. Now it will reuse the 7.5 amp, I think it's called the micro or mini blade fuse. Just check your application. If you've got a second gen V6 like me, it'll be the mini if I'm not mistaken. I'll put that up on the screen now. So you will reuse that fuse and just plug it in, and then this will just plug in to where the Alt-S fuse is on your main fuse box under the hood. And you will need some kind of voltage tester. I got one of these multimeters on Amazon. I think it was like 10 or 15 bucks. I will link it below just so you can test to make sure it's charging correctly with the truck turned on. Now, if after installing the alternator booster, you get a battery light on your dash the first time you turn your truck on, make sure the fuse is fully seated in the actual alternator booster, then make sure the alternator booster is fully seated in your fuse panel. If neither of those works, take out the alternator booster, rotate it 180 degrees, put it back in, fully seated, and try again. And that should resolve any issues you have. And that's just gonna wrap it up for this video, everyone. If you found the video useful, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below, as it really helps out with those damn YouTube algorithms. And if you plan on doing this mod yourself to extend the life of your Group 27F battery, comment below and let me know. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.